Spiritual meaning of the new moon and how to use its power. The new moon represents the start of a new lunar cycle and occurs approximately every 29 days. When there is a new moon, the Earth, Moon, and the Sun are positioned in a line. We can't see a new moon in the sky because during this time, the moon sits between the Earth and the Sun, with the Sun shining on the side of the moon that we cannot see. So why is this phase of the moon important to you and your life? The moon is so powerful, it is responsible for moving oceans, the ocean tides, and for the growth of plants, and we as humans are also affected by this powerful energy. The meaning of a new moon is the opportunity to start anew and refresh your dreams and desires. A new moon symbolizes new beginnings. You should use the energy of a new moon to achieve your goals or to start a new project. During a new moon, take the time to reflect back on your old goals and set yourself new ones. This magical time is the perfect opportunity to start anew. How to use the new moon energy. New moon energy can be powerful. Tapping into this energy can support your dreams and desires. We can harness the energy of the new moon to fulfill our visions and make our desires come true by creating a new moon ritual. This ritual should be a time where you can relax and light a candle or some incense. Listen to your heart and write down on paper what you truly desire in life. Do not ask for too much, keep your list simple and short with no more than 10 goals or wishes. Be clear with your intentions, the wording of your wishes or goals is important. You must try and capture the feelings behind your wish. Remember that your wish must feel right, if it doesn't then you should wait until another time to make that wish when it feels right. Your wishes must not be focused on other people, you cannot change others, but you can wish. And make changes to your own behavior which will positively influence and encourage the change in another person. Try and write your wishes down when the new moon energy is at its strongest, within the first 9 hours of the new moon. By writing everything down, you are creating a contract to yourself. Here are some simplistic way of creating a new moon ritual for yourself. Clear your energy to get centered. Take a salt bath or space, clear your energy with sage, a feather, or a flame, get grounded. Connect with the elements of air, water, fire, and earth, set your intentions. Declare to the new moon what your vision is, declare it boldly and with courage. I suggest writing them down and then speaking them loudly. By physically speaking them you symbolize your intention to manifest your goals. Express gratitude. From your heart and your soul believe that this is granted to you and express gratitude. Act. After your ritual or ceremony. Act. Take those steps forward toward your goal daily. You will be surprised by what transpires between now and the next full moon, a time of manifestation. Operator, if you like our article, give Conscious Reminder a thumbs up, and help us spread love light. Operator.